Hello guys, this is English with Nizara. Stop using boring phrases for nature. And today I'm going for a walk, for a short walk. I'll teach you real English you can use already today. First, the weather. It's absolutely gorgeous. The air feels so clean and fresh. You can say, it's such a beautiful day. Look at the sky. It's crystal clear, and I like this kind of weather because it instantly boosts my mood. Look at the trees, they are so green and lush. Listen, the wind rustles through the leaves and it's so peaceful. I'm not rushing, I'm just strolling. To stroll means walk slowly and relax. Look, this is a running track. I like walking and also I like running. Do you like running? Tell me which word was new for you. Write in the comments and share this video with your friends. If you like this video, give it a like. See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everybody.